help those who have crossed the age of 60. The United Nations have declared this year, on the occasion of World Health Day, as Aging and Health. Although every year April 7 is observed as World Health Day, but we in Mona and Ipuna were very keen that this time we are going to observe this program jointly with United Nations Information Center. And since our chief guest, Mrs. Kiran Mehra Kapilman, she has joined the office, and we were expecting that once she will come to our organization and something we will do together, because it is World Health Day, so we have to be healthy. So please don't mind. I would like to introduce our Executive Chairperson, Ms. Mohini Mathur. Even at this age, she is maintaining...
Gentlemen, Ashraf, thank you very much for the introduction. Minus the age factor. Madam, we are indeed privileged to have you amongst us, and we are very grateful for you to take your time off from very busy schedule to attend today's function and support this cause. We no longer have to correct old age with sickness, general inability, depression and intergenerational bonds. The whole team is here under the dynamic leadership of Ashraf Sheikh, who is the president of the youth wing. So please give them a big hand.
Now we'll begin with the felicitation ceremony. Felicitate Mr. Suresh Srivastava sir, Secretary General of Indian Federation of United Nations Association. Hey, sir. We work under your guidance and it is our privilege. Our guest speaker, Dr. Bapat. Another guest speaker, the Chinese Consul General, Mr. Liu King Bao.
I have had quite a few experiences with United Nations, working in a number of troubled spots. He's taken up issues and highlighted those issues, like the World Water Day, the World Health Day. One of the most revolutionary saints of India, Swami Vivekananda, used to always quote from the Upanishads. He used to always say that you come closer to salvation, you come closer to God by playing a game of football rather than reading Bhagavad Gita for 10 hours.
Maharashtra United Nations was established in 1964. We organized lectures, seminars, symposium, skits in collaboration with Rotary Club, Zonta Club and many such organizations who are following the ideals and objectives of United Nations. 2010, in tune with the theme of World Health Day, we organized the first walkathon from Nariman Point to Islam Gymkhana. In the year 2011, in collaboration with UNIC, United Nations Information Center, New Delhi, and SNDT Women University, an exhibition on Rwanda genocide was arranged. Last year we had organized Model United Nations Assembly with 45 colleges participation with Rotary Club of Bombay at Khar Gymkhana. We look forward to promote UN ideals in the rural area where the Adivasis are living.
It gives me immense pleasure to attend this important function organized by Mona. I want to commend Mona for the great work you have done to promote the health, aging and health, and especially on this World Health Day. Confucius teaches us to love and respect all elderly like we do our own parents. The Chinese, and I believe Indians as well, tend to teach our young to show humility before the elderly and follow their guidance.
29, she was appointed on the chair, which was equivalent to a district.
Do we consider age of retirement as a cutoff level to declare a person old? I've never understood this, and that is senior citizen. Now, does it have anything to do with aging and health? And I think somewhere down the line, one has to understand that in India itself, thanks to the advances in medicine, that our average age has gone up from 42 to 72. The four pillars of health are promotive medicine, preventive medicine, curative medicine, and rehabilitative medicine. Unfortunately, we have given too much focus on only curative medicine.
That since its inception in 1964, when the FINA was formed in India, which was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Maharashtra Human Association has been contributing a lot to the FINA. India is a very young country today. More than 34% population of India is below 30 years. And only 7.5% population of India is above 60. That India and China share many things in common.
The Spanish language got it right. Retirement, the word for retirement in Spanish is jubilación. And that actually literally means celebration and happiness. The UN Information Center, or UNIC, also stands for UN India Connect. You are most important to us in our joint endeavor to reach out and promote the work and values of the United Nations. Thank you very much. This year's theme, Good Health Adds Life to Years, conveys an important message. Promoting good health throughout life improves one's chances of remaining healthy and productive in one's later years.
We in Maharashtra United Nations Association have decided to honor 3 persons of eminence because this is the year of elderly. Abovi Dotiwala. Mr. Bandupala. The last award for today's function goes to one who has crossed 90. He is none other than Mathura Das Mehta. Child diamond.
मैडोना और मोहम्मद रफी के बीच में डिफरेंस बता दीजिए। आम जिंदगी में हम इसको जनरेशन गैप कहते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम एसएनडीटी कॉलेज।
अकेलापन ये एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसे दूर करने के लिए सिर्फ थोड़े से वक्त की जरूरत होती है।
अरे आंटी जी, ये स्कूल का एडमिशन नहीं है, इंटरव्यू है। आपकी बेटी के इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको आने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Present a small certificate of appreciation for the efforts which you have put in this event, photo social call, to the addiction bank. Then we had the director is Mr. Suraj Joshi, starring Puni Rajkumar, Chief Assistant Director in Hindi movies. For this movie, he has directed as Assistant Director and he has directed a play. So I request our Chief Guest Madam to present token of appreciation to him. she was explaining us that flavor, but old Sankalp, Cola, and then last Mohammad Ashrafi. But there is one faculty member, without her support and NOC it would have not been possible. That is Professor Dr. Rita Sunawat, Head Department of Human Development, SNDT University.
Ma'am, excuse me.
And the certificate.
I would like to say we must all give a big hand to our MC, Ashraf Sheikh, the President of the Youth Wing. Ashraf, you've really been wonderful. Your innovative ideas, your teamwork, and your leadership is really laudable. God bless you. Thank you.
And I second that wholeheartedly.
Desi ghee. Now we don't want to say cheese.
Say ghee.
Recording